Are you noticing that FaceTime and iMessage options are grayed out in your iPhone settings? The grayed out status can occur due to various reasons, including restrictions, network settings, or Apple ID issues. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to get FaceTime and iMessage working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. Restrictions on your device can cause FaceTime and iMessage to be grayed out. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Tap on Allowed Apps. Ensure that FaceTime and Messages are toggled on. Solution 2. Check your Apple ID. FaceTime and iMessage require a valid Apple ID. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Ensure you are signed in with a valid Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap See All. Scroll down. Phone and FaceTime enable. If this is already enabled, then turn it off and turn it back on again. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with FaceTime and iMessages. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. Solution 4. Update iOS. Using an updated iOS version can lead to functionality issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If the problem persists, resetting network settings can help. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your iPhone to restart. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of FaceTime and iMessage being grayed out in your iPhone settings. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.